Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Online Cash Craft, and today I'm coming through with how to make extra cash online right from your phone or laptop. You all know that I'm always looking for ways to make money online that you can do from home. And today we are talking about an amazing way that you can make money from the comfort of your own home. The platform I'm going to show you today is one of those platforms that you can make money from wherever you are in the world using just your phone or laptop. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online by just watching videos, ads, and doing some other minor tasks on the platform that I will reveal to you in the course of this video. So if you've been looking for a side hustle that is so easy, not time consuming, and doesn't require much to do, just stay tuned. All right guys, so let me break it down for you real quick. The platform I'm going to show you is a free to join platform where you can earn Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies just by doing simple tasks like watching videos, ads, completing surveys, playing games, and much more. But today we're going to focus on the video watching aspect because we love binge watching, don't we? So we're gonna use that aspect of we loving binge watching to make money from this particular platform. So here is how you can turn the watch time into money time. Now the very first step is you're gonna sign up to the platform. So at this point, head over to Cointiply.com and sign up. This is totally free to register. Just put in your email address, create a password, and you're good to go. This is super easy, right? I told you. Now I'm gonna pause here for a second and allow you time to click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you have, thank you so much. Right, back to the topic. So let me quickly give you this tip. When you are signing up, make sure you use a very strong password and then verify your email address. This will help to keep your account that you just created secure. So the second step is how do you actually make this money now that you have signed up, now that you have created an account on Cointiply. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Earn Coin tab and select Watch Videos. Here you will see different categories of videos from short clips to advertisements. Here you can pick the ones that interest you, start watching and start earning the coins. So I'm gonna give you this trick. Now here is the trick. To maximize your earnings, make sure you watch videos that are longer or offer higher payouts. Some videos give more coins based on how long they are or what category they fall under. So don't just skip around, pick wisely and stay consistent. Now the next step is redeeming your earnings. Once you've earned enough coins, you would want to cash out. Now you can withdraw your earnings via your Bitcoin directly into your Bitcoin wallet, or you choose from other options like Dogecoin, Dash, or even directly to your PayPal account. The minimum withdrawal is usually pretty low, so you don't have to wait forever for you to get hold of your money. And for my crypto lovers out there, this is a good way for you to start stacking some Bitcoin without investing any dollar. If you do not have a Bitcoin wallet yet, don't worry. I got another video on how to set one up, so be sure to check that out. Now guys, here is where it gets really good. If you really want to make the most out of Cointiply, consider these extra tips. Number 1, log in daily to earn daily loyalty bonuses. Number 2, complete other tasks like surveys, downloading apps, or even trying out some games. This often gives more points. Now, number 3 is referral program. So refer friends and earn points. You get a percentage of whatever your referral earns. So if your cousin, your bestie, or even your neighbor needs some extra money, let them know about Cointiply and earn some extra cash. So there you have it, my people. Cointiply is a legit way to make some money just by watching ads and videos. And with a little bit of consistency, it can turn into a good side hustle. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you never miss any money-making videos on the platform. And if you're already on Cointiply or you're planning to join, let me know in the comment section. Let's keep building together. Until next time, stay blessed and don't forget to watch the next video up there. I'll see you in my next. Thank you.